Swapping of any two numbers program in C language, various methods. So I have given 5 methods here. Those who are completely new to C language, you just refer method 1 and method 2. Those who are having a knowledge of functions, refer method 3 also. Those who are having knowledge of pointers, refer method 4. Those who are having knowledge of bitwise operators, refer method 5 also. I repeat, those who are completely new to C language, refer only method 1 and method 2. So look at the first method. How many variables are declared? 3 are declared, x, y, t. What's the concept here? Swapping of any two numbers. Swapping of any two numbers. You take x and y, interchange the values of x and y using the third variable t. So look at the printf statements. Before swapping, the values of x and y are displayed, and after swapping, the values of x and y are displayed. The basic logic is t is equal to x, x is equal to y, and y is equal to t. Look at the first line, t is equal to x. The value of x is assigned to t, and x is equal to y. The value of y is assigned to x, and y is equal to t. The value of t is assigned to y. So interchanging the values of x and y using the third variable t. If x is 10 and y is 20, t is equal to x, that is 10, and x is equal to y. The value of y, 20, is assigned to x now. Y is equal to t. So what is in t? The value of x, which is 10. Now it is in y. So x is 20 now and y is 10. So look at method 2, swapping of any two numbers without using third variable. So here the base logic is a is equal to a plus b, b is equal to a minus b, and a is equal to a minus b. If a is 10 and b is 20, the first one, a is equal to a plus b, you can put it on the paper. So a is equal to a plus b, that is 10 plus 20 is 30. Now the value of a is 30. B is equal to a minus b. This is your second statement. So in the first statement, the value of a is 30, so just apply 30 here. So a minus b, 30 minus 20 is 10. So for better understanding, you can put it on a paper. So in the first step, a is 30, and second one, b is 10, and the third one, a is equal to a minus b, so 30 minus 10 is 20. Now a is 20 and b is 10. Swapping of any two numbers without using third variable. I repeat the logic. A is 10 and b is 20. If a is 10 and b is 20, the first step, a is equal to a plus b, that is 10 plus 20 is 30, and b is equal to a minus b, 30 minus 20 is 10, and a is equal to a minus b, 30 minus 10 is 20. Swapping of any two numbers, call by reference. In functions, call by reference. Parameter passing mechanism, we have call by value and call by reference. So what is the name of the function here? The name of the function is swap. So identify the function declaration. Function declaration is void swap int star comma int star semicolon, and we have function call swap and x comma and y. And x comma and y address is passed. You are passing the address of x and address of y. So here x and y are actual parameters and a and b are formal parameters. The address of x is passed to a and the address of y is passed to b. Look at the function definition: void swap int star a comma int star b, and brackets are open, int t is equal to star b, and so on. In the function definition, once we are passing the address and x, the value is address is passed to a, which is a pointer. So call by reference. Those who are having any doubts in call by value, call by reference, you can refer another video. Swapping of any two numbers, call by value and call by reference. So swapping of any two numbers using pointers, a simple program using pointers. So we have x and y and two pointer variables a and b. A is equal to and x. Address of x is in a and address of y is in b. If a holds address of x, then star a holds value of x. Those who are having a pointers knowledge, check it out once. A is equal to address of x, that is and x, and b is equal to and y. If the pointer variable a holds address of x, then star a holds value of x. Similarly, if b holds address of y, then star b holds value of y. So instead of x and y, we can use star a and star b. And temp is a third variable used to interchange the values of x and y. The program to swap using bitwise XOR, exclusive OR. So those who are having any problem with bitwise operators, you can refer the video bitwise operators. You can find the video of bitwise operators and go through all the bitwise operators and come back and work with this program. So no confusion regarding the double slash. Double slash is a C++ comments. If you want C comments, use slash, star and star slash. So 5 methods are there in this video, swapping of any two numbers.